Within an app, you might want to limit a user's ability depending on their role. This video will walk you through creating a new role, defining permissions, and assigning a role to a user. Here we've got an app that's handling live data from a warehouse. We've got two users, an admin and an operator. Currently, there aren't any roles defined, so both users can carry out all actions. Let's change that so that an operator should only be able to view dashboards. First, head over to the Authentication page from the navigation menu. Here you'll see two users that we've set up, admin and operator. If you take a look at the Roles tab, you'll see that none have been created. Your FD app won't include any roles out the box. Assigning a role to a user is also optional. A user without a role specified will be able to perform all actions within your app. To get started, we'll create our role. We only want operators to modify dashboards so that they can't modify any other part of the app. By default, a role has all the permissions enabled. You can then disable actions that you want to prevent. Since we only want to allow dashboard related actions, we'll disable everything else. Now that our role is set up, we'll switch back to the Accounts tab and assign the operator user to our new role. Changes are reflected immediately, so even if a user is logged in, he won't be able to perform a disabled action.